Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to put mobdro on an Android box with a computer and a thumb drive. First, we're going to start off on the PC, going to google.com, then we're typing in mobdro APK. Here we're going down to the fourth link. We're going to scroll down to download mobdro 2.0.52. These could be different numbers in the future because of updates, but this is when I'm making this video. You're going to click that. We're going to scroll down to right here, download mobdro 2.0.52. It started downloading in this corner. Gonna go to your download folders, so we're gonna minimize that. Open up your folders. And we're going to downloads. We are going to open up another folder. And go to your USB drive, just as I did with the KODI. You're going to drag over the mobdro and drop it into your USB drive. You're only going to have one of these mobdro. I must have hit it twice. Then we're going to take out the USB drive from your computer, put it in your Android box. Now we're going to My Apps, File Explorer, USB drive, USB. This could be, it could be right there. Mine has that. Find mobdro. Go to install. Now we're going to open. Hit agree. And here we go. You got your channels, news, shows, movies, sports. In a future video, I'm going to show you how to work this if you need to be shown. So look for that in the future. If you have any problems, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you.